Do you want to be able to delete and clear all your watch history on TikTok? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and actually follow until the very end to make this work. So the first step is going to be for us to go into our TikTok app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok app right here, which is perfect. So what I'm going to do now is to firstly find the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we get a couple of options in here. So click on settings and privacy. And then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is perfect. Scroll down, click on activity center in here. Now click on watch history. And in here, you will be able to see all of your watch history for the last 180 days, I think. So to be able to actually delete it, then click on select in the top right corner. You can click right here, select all watch history in the bottom left corner, or you can just go one by one if you want to, of course. And when you're done, just click on delete in the bottom right corner. So click on delete. Once again, click on delete. And that is basically exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.